Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of pound dollar GBP USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Euro, USD, Gold, USD, GBP, JPY, then also check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So this is the forex chart of GBPUSD in front of us right now, and as we all know that because of the war between Russia and Ukraine, there is a massive selling going on GBP pairs and Euro pairs mostly, and there is a huge bullishness on gold, oil, etc. So this is a complete news driven market, and this market is extremely sensitive to news right now. And today we have a dialogue between Russia and Ukraine, and there is a temporary ceasefire called by Russia. So we don't know how the market will react on Monday, so please be careful. And still, if you're not using stop loss, then my dear friend, trading in this market without stop loss is like suicide. Please don't make the mistake. Okay. And yes, three big surprises coming soon regarding earning and learning. So yeah, I'll be declaring soon. Let's look at the forex sentiment meter first. Okay, first of all, GBP USD. Here is a beloved GBP USD, and you can see that 15% retail traders are on the sell side and 84% retail traders are on the buy side. As we all know that the sentiment meter shows the sentiment, the trading position of the retail traders mostly. And where they have taken buy position, see, they have mostly taken buy position around 1.3409. This is the average long price, 1.3409. So they have taken buy position here, and right now market is here. So if you also have a buy position on GBP USD, then my dear friend, please, if the selling pressure continues in the market, then please exit from your buy position, because it's time to protect your capital, respect your hard-earned money. So if we see the same selling pressure on Monday as well, please exit from a position. If it tries to recover on Monday, well and good. Okay, otherwise please exit from your position. Okay, so let's talk about the chart of GBP USD. So first of all, let's talk about the current market price. Sorry, the last traded price. It's 1.3226. Okay, this is the current last traded price here, and we can see that this is also a support for the market. But as I said, this is a news driven market, so we have seen hundreds of support being shattered on the market recently, so we cannot trust the support much. If the war continues, then yes, there will be pressure on the pair. If the war continues for the next couple of days, then obviously market will break the support and market will be going down. So keep in touch with the news. If you see that any good news is coming out, that there is a hope for some peace, then market will be recovering and you can take a buy position for the day trading purpose. Mostly in this market condition, taking a long position is risky, especially if you have very less capital. If you are new to the market, try to look for day trading positions only. Okay, so if any good news comes out regarding the war, if you see any peace and all, then you can take a buy position after the market opening. But if you see that there is no news about the market, but still market is trying to recover, then my dear friend, if you're a beginner, do not take any buy position. Okay, because if you look at the trend of the market here, then we can see the market is under very much under the influence of sellers. So there's a good possibility that when market will be trying to recover without any news, without any fundamental factor, market will be facing selling pressure around this level again, 1.3350. Around this level market will be facing selling pressure again. Why? Because we have the 50 moving average coming down, which is also the dynamic resistance, plus we have the Fibonacci retracement level. So if you combine these two factors, there is a possibility that if market tries to go up, tries to recover without any fundamental factor, market may be facing selling pressure again. If you see any price rejection from above around this level, you can take a sell position around 1.3350. Clear? But if there's a good news, market bounces, go for a buy. Clear? Next, if the same selling pressure continues on Monday, if you see market going down, do not take a sell position, because if market crosses also the present support level, we have immediate support around 1.3150. Sorry, 1.3150. I am not considering any buy position, because this market is very bearish. Until and unless we have any good fundamental factor supporting a buy, you should not be looking for a buy, because it's time to follow the only one rule of the market, that is follow the trend. If we see market breaking or going below 1.3150, then take a sell position. So when market will be around this level, observe the market and see how the market is reacting. If you see the price is trying to bounce, okay, price is trying to bounce, then also do not take a buy position if there is no news. Considering a buy is quite risky. If you have a considerable experience in the market, if you have been trading for a long period of time, then you can take a buy position, because we have the experience, we have the ability to handle positions. Okay, otherwise if you're a beginner, new trader, avoid buying at the support as well. Observe the market and see. If you see market breaking the support of 1.3150, market going down below 1.3150, you can initiate a sell position. So 1.3150 will be a very special level for the market as well. My jaw is paining right now. And I would like to also talk about the chart of DXY. As we all know, DXY is also very bullish because of the market. So DXY will remain bullish as long as the war continues. Okay. DXY's last traded price 98.50. If the uptrend continues, then it will be marching towards 100. If it breaks 100, then 104. And as we all know, gold, oil, everything is just flying. Okay, so after the market opening, observe the market very carefully, and especially be in touch, keep in touch with the news. Yes, if any good news comes out, it will be very good for us. We may see some good recovery in the market. Sadly, many of you have a buy position on GBPUSD, so please do not make the mistake again, because every trader should know when to jump off a ship. If you have any bad position, please exit from the position immediately, because see, taking in loss is not a big deal. No one is 100% accurate in the market, nor me, nor Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, not even Warren Buffett. Nobody is 100% accurate. Okay, so taking a loss, okay, exiting from a loss at the right time is very essential. Okay, anyways, please follow proper risk management. This is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. Please use stop loss and follow strict risk management. Okay, bye bye, take care. I won't see you on Monday, because I won't be making any videos on Monday, because Monday is my birthday. Bye bye.